Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be my apartment tour. And a little disclaimer before we get started, just so you guys know, this is not my own apartment. It's like the apartment of my whole family, but since we're moving away to Budapest, if you've seen my moving vlog, you already know this, or maybe it's just coming, I don't know. But anyway, we are moving to Budapest, but part of my family still has school here and stuff to do here, like me, my license. I cannot do that in another country. If you don't know, I'm Swiss. So we got an apartment for anyone in our family who needs to be here to have a place to sleep at. It's now complete. It's not like super nice decorated. We have suitcases all over the place. Look at that. But I did try to make it as clean, as neat as I could with these suitcases and the mess that's going on. So I hope you like this, and if you want to see more, consider subscribing below and hit the bell icon to not miss a video. I sometimes do German videos, but it's more like English ones, so whatever you prefer, just tell me in the comments. Let's get started. So this is what you see when you come in. It's like these stairs. Yeah, so this is a bathroom, but it's like for guests, and it's more like a place for our cleaning stuff right now, because the second bathroom is actually like right there. So if we go in here, this is what you see. It's pretty like not full right now. This is the bathtub, that's the shower, just like a shower caddy. This is where we keep the towels and stuff. It's not really organized. This is another thing we have. And yeah, let's get into the first room. We have two rooms and one like living room. But yeah, let's get into the first. So these, yeah, suitcases, I couldn't put them anywhere, I'm sorry, but this is my brother's furniture. He'll just get new stuff in Budapest, but he won't be here. This is mostly for my dad or me or my mom when we come here. And yeah, just folders, files, all that. Let me show you the view. Yeah, so there's the bus station right across the street, and the other one is like here somewhere. So it's pretty like close, and the next grocery store is like that building, so that's cool too. This is the living room. It's nothing special or fancy. Like I said, we just put the furniture from the old house here and try to split it up between, like, you know, this apartment and the house in Budapest. But yeah, you'll see a house tour from that too. Just like I filmed the one from the other house we just moved away from. But yeah, this is from IKEA, obviously, like everything else. This is pre-planned. This is just, you know, an office section. This is my computer, that's my mom's computer, and yeah, that's just a sticker. Yeah, this is a couch we have. You can just pull it out and sleep on it. It's for like two people. Yeah, I don't know. And then this one, I have a lamp there, and I love this one. It looks pretty cool, but the light is just kind of yellowish, so I don't really like it. That's the TV. We just brought it here today. Yeah, decorations, that's not really complete, as you can see. This is the balcony. It's pretty small, but nice, and I think we'll decorate it for, like, you know, Christmas time. I'm pretty excited for that. And yeah, let's go to the kitchen. Not really anything going on here yet. This is from IKEA. We put this on. It's an old one, but not gonna throw its stuff. Yeah, that's just our dining table, and that's, you know, the kitchen area. If you've never seen a Swiss kitchen, that's how it looks like. And this is where you go out for the balcony, and that screen was my brother. Everyone, welcome to my family. So this is my sister's room. This is her makeup section, and yes, she has tons of products, but I told her not to throw it away until she uses them up. That's her bed. That's some pictures. It's not complete, obviously, but I don't want to do her picture wall. I like that. Dreamcatcher is pretty cute. And then these are all her clothes. I have like a fourth of that, but you know, it's fine. Everyone's different. She's just like a fashion lover. This is her just drawer, I don't know. I put these actually up, so that looks good. And I kind of decorated that part. I just wanted to keep simple and neat. So that's that. Alrighty, that was the apartment. How do you like it? Do you like it? And what do you think about us moving to 2 different countries and places? And I don't know, I'm confused, so it doesn't bother me if you guys are super confused, because like, I get that. If you have any questions or video ideas or like wishes, what you want to see from, you know, this place, my life in general, about like college stuff that I'm starting soon, I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe below, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.